Alrighty, fan collectors, so today what we have here is a 52-inch Harbor Breeze Tebron garden. So this is basically the Clara sibling. This thing dates from 2005, June of 2005. Got this at Habitat Restore. It's on the testing rig outside. Really nice fan. Did not come with a light kit. This is one of two, so light chain, fan chain, simple Harbor Breeze, and yeah, let's go with the demonstration. So, makeshift tripod. So yeah, this is after a capacitor replacement because when I first got it, the capacitor was bad. So, yeah. These fans, for being Harbor Breeze, are actually pretty cool, pretty good quality. And the Tebron Garden, I believe, was the Verde. This is basically a Clara, but in a different finish. The Verde finish is one of the Tebron Garden series ones, I think. I don't remember, or that might just be a plain Clara. Or it's either this is just the Tebron Garden. I could have sworn they made them in two finishes, but I might be wrong, so. Yeah, they're medium. And yeah. So, if y'all want this fan in Roblox, tell me, because I'll make it in Roblox. Picked these up Friday, actually. Here's high speed. And yeah, it wobbles just a little bit, but you can't hardly tell. And these things are in great condition. Like, they must have been kept in a sunroom or something with very little dust, or they've been cleaned very well. They're in really good condition. They came with all the canopy screws and everything. When I say they come with all the canopy screws, I mean even the ones that aren't part of the L-shaped slots. They came with those too. They came absolutely ready, which is incredible. It's been a while since I've gotten a fan like that. The only other fan I've gotten like that was a new in the box. So, do a spin down. I'm not going to pull a chain to do a spin down. Let's flip it from the switch. Alright, spin down right now. But yeah, so this fan, really nice. This is one of two, so get ready for the second one because that video is going to be coming up soon. And so let it spin down. But yeah, so these fans, they're going to be put in my cabin on the porch, the front porch. And yeah. Alrighty, it's coming to a stop. Pretty soon it'll come to a stop. Now the bearings in it are actually better than I thought they'd be. And there we go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want more of this content, make sure to like and subscribe. So that's the first time I've ever forced y'all to subscribe to this crap. So have a great day.